Uplifting motivational stories. The Star Collector. In a quiet hilltop village where stars hung low in the sky, lived a boy who tried to catch them. Every night, while others slept, he climbed the hill with an empty jar and waited. "You can't catch stars," the others laughed. "They're not for people like us." But the boy still tried. Night after night, he reached out and came home with nothing. The jar stayed empty, and his heart heavier. One evening, after many silent years, he sat on the hill with his jar beside him, untouched. "Maybe they were right," he whispered. "Maybe some dreams are too far." He fell asleep under the sky. The next morning, children ran up the hill shouting, "Look, look!" The boy opened his eyes, now a young man. The jar beside him glowed. Inside it, not one, but dozens of tiny lights, not stars, but reflections of stars caught in the morning dew on the jar's glass. They weren't stars from the sky, but stars born of patience, of stillness, of never giving up. The village gathered around. "How did you do it?" they asked. He smiled. "I stopped chasing and started waiting." From then on, others came to the hill with jars. Some caught light, some caught silence, but all found something they didn't know they were looking for. And the boy, now old, sat with his jar full of glows, not from the sky, but from his soul.